Hello everybody, so a quick update on the layout. So starting to work out positions of points for the new infill board. So this is going to be the local run round. This is the old board where the old truck used to be and the station. And there's a police car there, so somebody must be in trouble. So there should be enough space for local run rounds, and then I just got to work out positions for uncouplers, which will be down here, magnetic uncouplers for the KD couplings, and then just where point motors are going to be and such like things. And then I can eventually start gluing all the track back down and painting the baseboard and getting it all ballasted, which will be nice.